Good afternoon, team. This is Brigadier General Vince Malone. I want to take a moment to update you on the COVID-19 response at Natick Soldier System Center. This situation is very fluid, and our team here continues to emphasize prevention to ensure the health and well-being of our workforce. We are also proactively planning our response should we have a case on our installation. At this moment, of our nearly 1,500 soldiers, civilians, and contractors, we have 0 confirmed cases of the virus and have no reports of any family members contracting the virus. If you or a member of your family do start to display symptoms, I ask you to focus on your role in preventing the spread of this virus. Rather than potentially transmitting the virus to others, please stay at home and self-monitor your condition and contact your first-line supervisor or human resource office for additional guidance. If you have been in contact with someone who has tested positive for COVID-19, you should immediately self-quarantine. If you test positive, you should self-isolate. Those terms are important as we endeavor to accurately report the situation here at the Natick Soldier System Center. Many of our organizations are already encouraging employees to maximize telework, particularly for individuals at the greatest risk. I encourage leaders to continue to look for ways to support mission accomplishment while protecting our most valuable resource, our people. As you may know, the Department of Defense has implemented a worldwide travel ban for service members, civilian personnel, and their families. All DoD military personnel will stop movement while this memorandum is in effect. Additionally, DoD civilian personnel and DoD family members whose transportation is government funded will also stop movement. This policy applies to permanent change of station and temporary duty. Individuals pending retirement or separation during this period are exempt. There are also some exceptions for mission essential travel, but approval authority lies with the Undersecretary of the Army or the Vice Chief of Staff of the Army. In another update over the weekend, individuals currently on OCONUS travel are able to return, but will likely be required to self-monitor away from others for 14 days. You should consult your supervisor and human resource office for specific guidance on your situation. As we look to all of our higher headquarters and the Commonwealth for guidance, I have enacted the following specific actions here at the Natick Soldier System Center. Our Emergency Management Working Group is meeting daily to synchronize cross-organizational collaboration. All large gathering activities through May 5th have been canceled. We must all do our best to ensure we don't assemble in groups of 25 people or more, and we need to allow our personnel to maintain proper social distancing of 4 to 6 feet. I'll be conducting the majority of planned meetings telephonically, and I encourage other leaders to do the same. Effective tomorrow, March 17th, all food service operations on the installation will shift to takeout only, and our dining facility will restrict its food service to barracks residents only, also on a takeout-only basis. MWR bar operations will cease, along with all other group fitness classes. Our fitness center remains open at this time with an increased focus on cleanliness. If you use the center, please do your part to prevent the spread of illness and wipe up after yourself. This operation may change in the coming days as we continue to assess the risk and stay ahead of the virus. COVID-19 presents challenges unlike any that we are used to, and those challenges are changing on not just a daily basis, but sometimes hourly. Please continue to be patient and flexible through these changes as we continue to follow the Department of Defense, Department of the Army, and Center for Disease Control guidelines. We will also continue mirroring the Commonwealth's prevention and response where possible. If you have any questions about any of the changes, I invite you to reach out through our Facebook page at Soldier System Center Natick. We will provide you with as much up-to-date information as possible. Most importantly, take the necessary measures to protect yourself and those around you. Wash your hands frequently and thoroughly, maintain social distancing, and avoid unnecessary contact with others. Our key to this situation is doing everything we can to prevent the spread of the virus, and that takes all of us. Once again, thank you for your patience, flexibility, and vigilance. I'm proud to lead Team Natick through this difficult time, and I know with all of your support, we will prevail through this pandemic.